Hello, Patreons. I'm about to transform myself into a new character that you guys have seen already, Stacee-Skylar Tessa. And I thought it might be fun to take you guys along with me on this journey. I'm in my bathroom here. If I do this, it looks a little bit better. This is an idea I've had for a while, and I kept thinking, no, I'm not going to do it yet. I need to prepare it better. And I don't know, I'm just in the mood to do it today. And even though I don't have like all the stuff that I kind of wanted to have to do it, I'm just going to do it anyways. So the first thing, how do I start this? I'm going to just do some mascara and some lip gloss, which I bought today, which was somehow embarrassing. It's weird because, it's not going to be the first time I've worn makeup because, with my life in theater, I've worn a lot of makeup, but I've never bought like lip gloss and mascara, gone to the store and just bought it unless it was like a professional makeup store. Why didn't I just do that? I don't know. Anyways, this is what I'm doing. So I bought just this really inexpensive mascara from Essence, All Eyes on Me. And I made in Italy, whatever. And it's been a long time since I put on mascara, but here we go. Wait, let's start with this eye. Wait a second. Is this just really bad mascara, or is there nothing on here? There we go. I guess that's looking a little bit better. I just realized I'm holding my breath while I'm putting this on. Other people out there who wear mascara, do you guys find yourself holding your breath when you do this? All right, concentrate on breathing. Don't blink. Geez, there's just not a lot of product on this thing. There we go. That's looking better. Can you see it? Should I do the bottom too? How do you do that? Like this, I guess, right? I'm so hoping that nobody comes to my door right now, like the neighbors or UPS or something like that. But I mean, it's not that bad yet. Yeah, so I'm not a mascara expert, but I would just like to mention that I don't really recommend this mascara. I don't know, what do you think? Oh, that's a little bit better if I do it from the bottom too. I think what I'm missing is I need to like curl these lashes up. And I don't have one of those curling things, right? Oh well, I guess you can see a little bit. So now I'm gonna tape my lips up, and I've done this before for the cone lady. And one different thing I have here is I bought some Prisma lip gloss. And it's so like shiny and metallic from Catrice Cosmetics. And I just wonder what kind of artificial things are in here to make it glitter this much. But let me go get some tape. Okay, so the first thing I gotta do is like get the grease. Oh, I just rubbed my eye. Oh well. So I gotta get like the grease off of my face so the tape will stick. Good. All right. So you guys have seen this before, like I said. And what I do, and I haven't done this since I've got like all this facial hair. So I take the tape here and then I tape it like this. Okay, that's sticking pretty good. And then I wanted to tape up my nose too. Is that long enough or is that too long? That's too long. I don't know if this is going to be interesting to you guys or not. Like, I'm not like, like on right now. This is just me like trying to do something. And I know you guys are used to seeing me being like a little more emotional and animated. Is that gonna stick? Oh yeah, that might work. I think maybe I should have bought like some eyeliner too. All right, time for lip gloss. I'm actually kind of looking forward to this just because, I don't know, it's so shiny. And I've never put something like this on my lips. I can't get it open. By the way, I'm just realizing there was no like seal on the mascara, so somebody probably used that already. I'm probably getting like eyelash lice from that. Those are a real thing, by the way. How do I get this open? Hold on. Okay, with the help of a knife, I got it open. And I've watched Jeffree Star videos, so, I know about this stuff. Let's see here. Is it gonna go on the tape? Oh, good, it does. Oh, it looks really gross, too. Very good. All right. Please, doorbell, don't ring. It's so shiny. All right. And this is how I spent my Friday evening. Oh, it's on my teeth. There we go. All right. Time for the wig. This is the same wig you guys have seen me wear for the Cone Lady and also the Duty Free Lady. I got this for Carnival, like for Mardi Gras. But I want to how can I style it differently? Or maybe I should just leave it down. Oh, but it's in my face. Maybe that's good for the character. Yeah, I think I'll leave it like that. All right, so I guess you can't really see the mascara on my eyes at all, can you? I should have used some kind of eyeliner or something. Do I have anything I could use for that? I don't think I have anything like that here at home. Oh well. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support, everybody. This was the little behind the scenes look at Stacee-Skylar Tessa.